Hello everyone, this is KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I'm going to show you how do I make soft and tender whole wheat bread. It is always a challenge because it tends to be hard and dry. So today, I'm using an Asian method by utilizing a starter called TangZhong to make it soft and fluffy. Let's take a look. To begin with, first we mix a starter. This starter is called TangZhong, which is a very popular method to make soft and tender bread in Asia, particularly in China, Japan, and Taiwan. First we add some flour into a small pan and then combine with some water. Next, we put it over low heat and cook it until it thickens. Once it thickens, remove from heat. Next, prepare the dough. First, add some water into a mixing bowl. And then sprinkle the active dry yeast into the water. Give it a good stir. Add the brown sugar. Give it a stir again to dissolve the yeast. And leave it there for a few minutes. Next, we add the flour. So this is the normal bread flour, 2 parts of bread flour, and 1 part of whole wheat flour. Since we want the bread tender and soft, we use 1 part of wheat flour and 2 parts of the normal bread flour. And then the salt. Give it a good mix. Add a starter, the TangZhong. And then combine again. Then cover with the damp cloth. Leave it at room temperature. Let it autolyze for 2 hours. After 2 hours of rest and autolyze, that is how it looks like. Now you can see it's very much different from what we have seen just now. The volume has nearly doubled. And the enzymatic action kicks in, and now it smells like wine. And the proteins start to untangle and start to form glutens. Now we have a few options to proceed from here. First way is, we can put the dough onto the tabletop with some flour, knead the dough, or put it into a mixer with a dough hook. But I'm using an unconventional way to knead the dough today by using a food processor. Remove the gas. And take half of it, transfer to the food processor to process. Add some butter. Blend and pulse occasionally for 1 minute. Take a look at it. You can stretch it to paper thin, and 1 minute of food processor is equivalent to 10 minutes of kneading, and you don't have to worry about the fiber in the bran of the whole wheat will damage and cut through the gluten during the conventional kneading method. Let it ferment and until it doubles in size. Now after fermentation, it has doubled in size. I will transfer it to a tabletop with some flour and start to shape it. It is a very soft dough. Remove the gas by using your finger. And then fold it to the center. Overturn it. Do a pre-shape. And leave it there for 10 to 20 minutes. Let the gluten relax before you shape it to a loaf or a bun or whatever shape that you want. Now the dough is fully relaxed and this is the final step. We want to shape it into a loaf. By the way, I have used the other half of the dough to make some small little bun too. So what you need to do now is again use your hand to press out all the gas. If you have a rolling pin, the work is much easier. Make it into a circle as far as you can. Now fold both sides to the center and slowly roll it up. To form the shape of a loaf. Tuck in both sides. And I have a loaf pan that have been oiled. I put it inside and it's ready for the final proving. Apply some egg wash or water on the surface of the loaf. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius top and bottom heat for 35 minutes or until the color changes to golden brown. Thanks for watching and I hope I have explained clearly how to make this whole wheat bread. Please click the link in the description below the YouTube video to get the recipe and the full details. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.